All right, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin. This is going to be the Pit Boss cleaning part 2. We're going to try to get this thing cleaned up and ready to go to a new home. I bought this Ryobi power washer, gosh, man, about a year ago. It was on sale, and I never used it. So I'm going to try this power washer out. It's a Ryobi battery operated. I can hook my hose up. It comes with attachments to go into a bucket, but I'm going to hook the hose up. We're going to try to get the grates and everything are back there behind it. So let's try to get those cleaned up, see how well this does without any soap. And if it needs more scrubbing, well, that's what we'll do. Okay, so did a great job on the grates. I'm gonna have to get a scraper on these. These are really caked on, so I'm gonna get a little elbow grease on them and we'll get them cleaned off. Get this back on the turbo. Okay, so the inside is gonna get some scraping here in the grease tray part. It's got some pretty good chunks in there. So I'm going to scrape this off a little bit. We're going to get the inside clean. I'm not going to spray it, wash it. It just needs the chunks knocked off, some of the bigger grease pieces. And as soon as we get this all cleaned up, I'll put it back together and show you what we got. I've already scraped the other pieces. They're looking better. And I'm going to take a wire brush to them real quick. And yeah, I'll be back. All right, so I got the inside scraped. It looks like we can get a grease to drain out of there now. It's all clean, no chunks. Let's see the outside. Look at the outside. Look how pretty that is. Yeah. Okay. All right, let me put this, put these back in. We'll start it up. All right, so I started this to show me, not that you needed to see me putting it back together, but I sprayed some canola oil all over everything. I'm gonna turn this on. We're gonna crank it up, let it burn off a little bit. And then I think before I let it go, I'm gonna throw some pork ribs in here, some baby backs. All right, so here's my baby back ribs. I've got them seasoned. I just wanted to show you this. My friends Ray and Jan in Florida, they gave me that swamp seasoning, the Seminole swamp seasoning. They also sent me some of this Brad Byron's butt rub. You know, I know they sent it because the name, butt rub. All right, so anyway, these are my ribs. And you know, when I got these ribs, it said extra meaty. Well, this whole strap right here was right here, already cut, just wasn't cut off. I don't know what the butcher was thinking, but I'm going to throw that on there too. Okay, and in case you're wondering why that looks so nice and shiny, food grade mineral oil. This is what I use to clean my my Lone Star Grill's pellet grill, and you can use it on your regular grill. It cleans it up for a while. You can reapply it. I do have this on my Amazon store, and there is a link below. So get you some of this if you want to clean up your grill and make it looking new again. All right, let's get these baby backs in here. So the display is not working. It worked the other day, it's not working, so I'll have to check that out. Anyway, we're 225. Take the top rack off. The baby backs, and then here's that little meat thing. I wrapped it, and yeah, we're gonna smoke that. I ended up putting this temp gauge in here so that I can keep an eye on the temp. It looks like it's running well. It is at 225, and I'll see you in a couple hours. All right, so for my barbecue sauce, I'm going to use some Hawaiian Huli Sue's crack seed barbecue sauce. I know, I didn't show you everything, but hey, there you go. It's not about the ribs, it's about the pellet grill. So we'll get these done, be back in about 30. Okay, there you go. Part 2. I revived this Pit Boss 700 Classic, and you know, I had to make some baby back ribs, nice smoke ring. Love ribs. And of course, can't forget that that little ball of meat that I wrapped up to go inside there. Look at that. All right, so this pellet grill from one nephew will be rehomed to another. Thanks for watching. Remember, if your auger's jammed, just clean it out, unless you want an excuse to get a new pellet grill. Otherwise, clean it out. It'll work great. The only thing I have to deal with is the control panel on here. It worked the other day, it's not working today, so we'll see what's wrong. Maybe it's just some wiring. I'll take it apart, look at it, but other than that, it worked great. The temp on the hood was right at 225 the whole time. The probe was a little higher than that, but all in all, you know, I mean, can't complain about ribs, right? All right. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.